Hi, everyone. I'm going to give you a very quick introduction to Microsoft 365 Copilot so you know where to get started and you have a little idea what it's about. I'm going to flip over to my web browser here, and I am the Microsoft Edge browser. You have to use the Edge browser. That's where it's all integrated into. You'll see the little Copilot icon here on the search bar, and you'll see it hovered up here in the upper right-hand corner. If you've used any other browser and you've gone and used the Bing search engine, you'll notice that when you do a search, you get a generative AI response in addition to the traditional search. So that is a free Copilot product that is out there for you to use. Copilot is Microsoft's brand for their generative AI system, and that brand has many different products within it. Copilot Search, or I call it Copilot Search. They just call it Copilot. And then there's Copilot for Microsoft 365, which is what's integrated into your Microsoft work or school account. And that's what we're going to be talking about today. So to get to it, you first have to log into your browser, create a profile within your browser, the Edge browser. And I've done that for my work account here, and I'm signed in with that. So that way it knows that I'm licensed for this. This is a $30 license. It's not month to month. It's 1 year paid up front. And it, like I said, it has live web search capabilities and it has work search capabilities. So I'm going to click on the Copilot icon and you'll see this work web toggle up here. I'm going to click on the web one first. You'll see here that I'm logged in with my account. And because of that, I've gotten access to the Chat GPT 4 engine. That is, the turbo, and turbo here also. So I can create images with Dolly. I can upload files. I can add images of my own to do all the searching with. And they give you some sample prompts here in the middle that you can utilize. So if I were to grab a piece of text here that I've already typed out because I'm a terrible typist, and so I'm copying and pasting. And what it's doing here is it's looking in the language model first that Microsoft has created. They have their own large language models that they've created themselves. And then secondarily, it's going to live web and giving you that full contextual search. If you know anything about ChatGPT, you know that their models, the 4 engine is trained up to April of 2023. So this is even more current than that. So definitely some advantages of using Copilot search engine for you today. And it gave me all kinds of stuff and all the reference points, right? All the references of where this is coming from, and even gave me a link to a YouTube video here. So that's how the web search works. The work side of the house changes the context completely. Now I'm focusing on data within my Microsoft 365 tenant account. And it's data that I have access to. So if I don't have access to human resource data, it's not going to give me a response with human resource data. It's only what I have access to. So there's very tight security boundaries that Microsoft has put into place for data privacy and data security. And I'm going to do a whole nother video on data privacy and or data security specifically, and helping your organization understand how to protect data within your tenant if you're not doing it doing it well today. So you have all these prompts, and it gives you some things like recapping a meeting, and it has access to, if a meeting's been transcribed or recorded and transcribed, you have access to that. All your email, every file that you have access to, chats, all those things. And every Microsoft 365 application has Copilot built into it, and it's contextually tuned to it. So I'm going to search for a PowerPoint presentation that has Copilot in it, and do that. And what it's doing is it's looking at the data that I have access to, and I have access to several PowerPoint presentations, decks that have information about Copilot in it, startup kits and onboarding kits and quick start kits and all kinds of kits that Microsoft's created for this. But you can see it's pulling it in. And then it's giving me links. That's, the reference links are all there. So if I click on a reference link, it's going to take me straight to that document and give me access to that. I'm in PowerPoint, and you notice I have Copilot button over here. So Copilot's available to you in every Microsoft desktop application. But we're going to go back to the Bing browser. If I go back up here, I have prompts. So It can give me prompts based on ketchup, category, I can say my own prompts. And then it has Copilot Lab. There's a link right down here. See all the prompts in Copilot Lab. So if I were to click on that, Copilot Lab is the training location for you to learn about how to use Microsoft 365 Copilot. They give you short videos, and you can learn about any particular application. You can even go down here a little bit further and click on this one and learn about how to create a prompt. What's a prompt look like? What's a good prompt? And when it comes to prompting, you need to be very, very specific, meaning that, hey, give me this in this tone, like, create a one-page marketing document about generative AI that highlights the benefits and the disadvantages, or whatever you want to say. Just be very specific of what you're looking for. You can always add to any prompt that you want. They build on each other until you tell it that you want to have a new topic. So go to Copilot Lab, get a Microsoft 365 license. If you don't have one, reach out to me. I can help you get one. And let me know what you need. Let me know what you want to see. But I'm going to do a couple more videos around data security and some other things. But let me know what you're interested in seeing in the comments. Hope you're all having a great day, and we'll see you all later.